In this video, we'll show you how to install a new drip bowl in your range. No special tools are required to complete this task. To replace your drip bowl, sometimes referred to as a burner bowl, first make sure all the knobs and switches are off and the range is not hot. Then make sure that the coil is completely cool before proceeding. If so, lift the burner element until it reaches a 45-degree angle. Then pull away from the receptacle to detach the terminals. Now you can remove the old drip pan by simply lifting it upward. Insert the new drip pan, making sure it is properly aligned. The notch in the drip pan should be on the opposite side of the receptacle. Now insert the terminals back into the receptacle and lower the element until it rests in the notch. Both chrome and porcelain drip bowls are easy to clean and give any appliance a beautiful new appearance. For genuine replacement parts, shop now at geapplianceparts.com. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.